18 minus 6 means 12. dz equal to 12. Therefore, z equal to dz upon d means 12 upon 4 means 3. Z equal to 3. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, x equal to dx upon d. dx is 4, d is 4. Therefore, x equal to 1. Y equal to dy is 8. 8, d is 4. Y equal to 2. Z equal to dz 12 upon 4 means 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. Z equal to 3. मतलब आंसर का है x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. आंसर x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3.